Yeah, what's up with it? Yeah, man, got court today. Nice and clean, I got a brand new shirt on. Kind of look like I'm going on vacation, but something decent, something nice, you know what I'm saying? Fight for my kid, just trying to, the mission today, the thing I'm trying to accomplish today is the judge put something on paper. So the officer I spoke with yesterday, because he sees in the computer, it's like back and forth type shit. There's like 8 or 9 different cases between me and this, punk rock. But I'm at the gym right now. I just got the shower, you know what I'm saying? My hair is still wet, curly and shit. But I'm gonna go in there rocking the curls though. I ain't even gonna lie, man. All I need to do is get lined up now and get braided, and I'm back. Brand new belt, brand new drawers, brand new socks, brand new shoes, brand new pants. On my mama. Look at that. I don't know if you can see them, but they brand new. I got the Bible with me. That's the most important thing. I got God with me. I pray God send me a sheep amongst the wolves. You know what I'm saying? I'm not trying to remove my daughter from the house, man. I let it be known up there in Idaho. When my lawyer asked me, Mr. Williams, is it your intention to break up the family? I said no. She said, are you trying to remove Isabella from the home? I said no. Why would I do something like that? She don't even know me. I love her too much. I love my daughter too much to do something like that to her. Why the fuck would I do something like that? She don't know me. I'm trying to establish a relationship with her. I'm not gonna go take her from the house and come be with me or whoever in my family. She don't know us. But we're trying to establish that. My mom is terminally ill. She wants to see her son, her one and only son's one and only daughter. As far as biological is concerned, I still got Princess, and I still love Mimi. She's still my daughter no matter what. I always gonna love Mimi. She's my first. And you know what I'm saying? I got Princess. You know what I'm saying? Straight up. And I got my two step kids. You know what I'm saying? Sammy and KK. You know what I'm saying? So I got 2 step kids and 3 daughters. You know what I'm saying? So Princess Mariah and Isabella, man. You feel me? I got me a brand new pick. That's why I got the Bible with me, man. Look, check it out. I even got I got all my paperwork. You feel me? In the book. It's in the book. The proof is in the book, not the pudding. The book. You know what I'm saying? Nice and clean. Mac Ryan know how to, get geeked up or dressed up, or I know how to get geeked up. I can put the glasses on. You don't put the glasses on. And I can also act like I'm going on vacation. But to me, it's all a way of trying to present yourself to the judge. And the powers that be, I don't use drugs. I don't smoke dope. Never smoked dope in my life. I smoke dope smoke. Weed. That's illegal. That's for anxiety. I smoke that for medical purposes. And it's not an everyday thing. I don't drink. Not no more. I quit. Yeah, man, right? I quit 3 days ago. Brand new belt. Brand new socks. Brand new day. I thank God for allowing me to wake up. Have another day, another chance. Because it's not over until you give up. Look at me, I'm living out my car. My car's nice. I do like my dad did. Every time I stop my car, I get out, I got me a whisk broom. Look, I ain't lying. It's like my daddy's have. My daddy's always keep a whisk broom in his van. Clean the van out. Even if you don't have nobody riding with you, it's called checking your traps, check your situation, check your space. Because one day, you're going to pick up somebody, maybe, and they might drop something or something happens and you're not used to getting out and cleaning your car out, then you get caught up. But if you make it a habit, of every time you stop to get McDonald's, stop at the gym to get in the shower, fucking stop at your spot, slap some music, rap with the homies one time, you get back up in that motherfucker before you start the motherfucker, sweep them out. Sweep them out a little bit. Check it out. See what's going on down there in them crevices and shit. You know what I'm saying? Tight spots where you can't see, but they will. So anyway, I love you, Isabella. This is your father, Ronald Edward Williams, Jr. I love you. I've always loved you. You were born November 27, 2010, Kaiser Hospital, Vallejo. So you were born in the Bay. You're not from Sandpoint, Idaho. You're not from Priest River, where your grandma kidnapped you and took you at. Today, I hope to file police charges, make a police report. I've been talking to both DA guys. I've been talking to both of them. I'm not going to say their names here on camera, but I've been talking to both DA dudes. And they've been telling me, hey, I get this on calendar. Then from there, we can establish a police report because she's keeping you from doing what you need to do to be a father. You see what I'm saying? It ain't like I don't want to be in Isabella's life. It ain't like I'm not trying to write her letter or give her money. You know what I'm saying? She took off. I just found out where she was at. Even though I was going through the guardianship up there, I didn't know where she was at. I just found out in trial she stayed in Priest River. That was last month. And the judge gonna ask me in Idaho, why didn't I write letters, and why could he put the fucking motherfucker put a price tag on it, y'all. This motherfucking judge in Idaho gonna say, out of $60,000 or whatever I got for selling my house, I only paid $3,500 or some shit. What the fuck does that got to do with anything? If the investigators would have asked me for $50,000, I would have gave them that. But they didn't ask for that. They asked for $1,500, so I gave it to them. If they wanted $30,000, I would have paid them that. Why didn't you write letters? I wasn't supposed to. I can't. And then, when I went to Sacramento in 2016, June 21st, I remember the date, 2016, my first parole officer in Sacramento, Sac Metro 3, 608 T Street, Maria Lopez, my first agent in Sac, 6 months prior to me being in Sac, asked me, what are you trying to do? I said, I'm trying to see my daughter. You know what I'm talking about? She said, okay. I said, I myself chose supervised visitation for my protection. From that bitch Maria, her family, and all these, they way out. It's the white people. I ain't racist. I'm white, half white myself. But that's that white people shit. And I got caught up in that shit. I ain't even gonna lie, I got caught up in that shit. Even though my sisters tried to tell me, Roxy tried to tell me, Donna tried to tell me, Tila been telling me, Jennifer tried to tell me that once. Jennifer helped me out a lot too, I ain't gonna lie. Jennifer was, always going over there picking up Mariah and trying to beat Maria's ass, fired on her in Dad's car. Yeah, Jennifer went 18 on her ass. Now I see why now. But shit, man, shoulda, coulda, woulda. It's way too late for that. A trial didn't happen. Fucked up ass motherfucking plea deal, which I shouldn't have even fucking took, man. I don't know why I did that shit. That shit, I didn't think about the consequences. I didn't think about my reputation. I didn't think about fucking who say what. And I never had that problem, but it doesn't matter. Still got to go through that bullshit. Well, I never thought about that. It didn't register in my brain. The only thing I was thinking about was getting out to Isabella. It wasn't like I was trying to get out real quick to get the house back. As far as I was concerned, house is gone. I didn't know I still had a chance to get the house back. That never crossed my mind. Because after I seen the DA dude, Sony Ash, who came to interview me February 1st, 2012, in jail, showed me pictures of them fake-ass nigga George, that fake-ass bitch Maria, that fake-ass Mateo dude, Trick. Anyway, I'm like, yeah. And I said, yeah, that's my soon-to-be ex-wife. I filed for divorce. I want all y'all to know that shit. That's why when you see the paperwork, you see me as the petitioner. The respondent is Maria. I'm the one that was doing all the filing. I'm the one that filed for divorce. Scratch that. Before divorce, before I was arrested, because of that bitch lied on me, I filed for legal separation. I had 2 weeks prior to going to court, family law, to get my kids back. And then they arrested me for that bullshit. They arrested me August 23rd, 2011. I had court for family law September 6th, 2011. Imagine that. And I still went to family law court like a bitch. Didn't have to. They came banging on my door cell, nigga, in Solano County Jail like, Williams, you got court, family law. Do you want to go? You don't have to. It's not criminal. It's not mandatory. Nigga, hell yeah, I'm going, nigga. It's mandatory, nigga. My daughters, I even said Mimi, man. I said my daughters, both my daughters need me. And I was going through some fucked up shit. This bitch Maria was still visiting me in jail, nigga. I got the paperwork. Don't go ask that bitch for shit. Come to Mac Ryan, nigga, for all the crack dancers, nigga. I give them all to you. And if it wasn't for my nigga Big Will Hayes on Facebook, I love you, baby. You're my brother. If it wasn't for him, he came to Sacramento to come see me and my mom too. But if it wasn't for Will Hayes, and if it wasn't for my sister Donna, nigga, none of this shit would have been possible. Really, if you can go out, I'll probably be in prison still. You know what I'm saying? I'll probably been, God knows, but I owe a lot to Donna, man. Even though we funking right now, she is my sister, and I do love her. I do miss her. I ain't gonna lie, I do miss her though. You know what I'm saying? But she fucked me up though, man. Everybody fucked me up over there, man. That's cold. That's fucked up. Anyway, that's negative shit. Anyway, yeah, man. If you want the right answer, nigga, come to Mac. It's almost 12 now. I got court at 1:30. I'm still fighting for Isabella. You know what I'm saying? And then when in my trial, Agent Russell Gilbert, my agent of record now, you know what I mean? He testified at trial in Idaho on my behalf. Basically, he told him straight up. Mr. Williams passed the polygraph test on his allegation. He passed. What more fucking do you want? I knew I was going to pass. You motherfuckers, I guess, assumed I wasn't going to pass. I still passed. Y'all talking about? And last but not least, I'm not even going to tell y'all what my daughter Mimi said. I don't want to say too much because that's going to be, you know what I'm saying, we got something going on right now. You know what I'm saying? So I can't say too much, but just believe she love me. She love her daddy. She miss me. She miss me right now. And I miss her too. I ain't gonna lie. She's my daughter. I love Mariah. She'll always be my daughter no matter what. No matter what, nigga. She's always gonna be, that's my baby. That's Mimi. I taught her how to box. I taught her, nigga, she throwing up hillside. She used to always say, Sue, when she see cousin AB. You know what I'm saying? She throw up the hills. Where you think she get that from? She don't get that from nobody else but Mac Ryan. But her daddy, nigga. She throwing up the H because of me. I got videos to prove it right now of me and her throwing up the H. Check out my YouTube. We got a video of me and her and her mom before she started using drugs. After we got married with 2 whips in the house, nigga. She in the back with me going out there throwing up the hills, nigga. I remember when Dina came down, nigga, to the program. And when I first went to the program, Kings of Auto, Dina was like, yeah, Mariah got a boyfriend, woo, 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 woo. She was like just telling me what's going on as far as, you know, my daughter Isabella and what's going on over there, which we didn't like, you know what I'm saying? But we can't do nothing about it, you know, because she had Mariah. So she was telling me Mariah throwing up the hills. I'm like, first thing, when Dina told me Mariah throwing up the hills, the first thing, I didn't say nothing right then and there, but the first thing that came to my head was, goddamn, she gets that shit from me, blood, throwing up the hills. Anyway, yeah, man. Let me get it doing the movie, man. I just pray God send me mix against the wolves, man. I got the paper, man. Sheep mix the wolves, man. That's, you know, the United States Supreme Court decisions. We're getting in them books, man. We got George Washington in that motherfucker too. George Washington that. Nigga, we got George Washington in the motherfucker. Where is it? Where's George Washington? Oh, this right here. This right here, though, my secret weapon. I'm not even gonna say what this is. This right here is the key. And I got no violations on parole. I've been doing good. Didn't violate. Never violated, not one time. And it's been almost 5 years. March next year will be 5 years. They need to give me my parole time because they switched parole time when they changed that the realignment shit. They changed that shit. They made it to, like, you know what I'm saying, a realignment. Everybody that's had dope cases is coming out here. They send a motherfucker to the pen. Now when you go to the pen, you're going to the pen to stay for a long time. I didn't go to the pen for a long time. I only did 4 months of Tracy. I got right out. You know what I'm saying? I had so much time, man. I took a deal and left me with 4 months. Shouldn't have did that, but it is what it is. You know, this is my paper right here, blood. This is my paper right here. This is my paper, nigga. This paper right will get me on parole, man. My lawyer, Tom Moss, I saw him Tuesday last week when I was coming from the DA's office talking about my daughter. He told me that go to his office and pick up his letter from Kerry, man. He wrote something up for me. I got to get it to my PO. I pray my agent now of record, there go the boys right there. I pray my agent now of record, man, he honors it because I don't have no violations. I've been through fucking the ringer. I've been to Washington, Idaho, gotten on a plane, gotten off a plane, missed my fucking plane one time, and they were nice enough to give me a fucking another ride on the plane, man. My agent was like, God damn, Williams, you missed the plane? I'm like, hell yeah, it wasn't the bus, it was the plane, nigga. Fuck we gonna do? But yeah, I respect Agent Gilbert. I know he's not my friend, he's my agent, but I respect that brother, you know. But I do like him as a friend. I wouldn't mind being his friend and being there for him, and like he being there for me. Don't get me wrong, he'll lock me up if he has to. He'll lock me up if he has to. Don't get me wrong. It ain't like he will lock me up. He will. But I respect him. Just like I respect my friend James Salsa. He's a police officer in Sassoon. He's my friend. You know, I mean, there are things he can tell me, and there's some things he can't tell me. There's things I can tell him, there's some things I can't tell him. You know what I'm saying? And when it comes to me, I can talk to him about anybody else. That's out the limits. But as a friend, I went to go help James in Vallejo, man. He live off Redwood Street, me and my boy Keith, man. We went to go help move some shit, and you know what I'm saying? Out his house, he got like 4 houses, and he got a cop. But This is because he chose his life, and that's his job, man. Fuck. I ain't even gonna lie to you. If I knew what I knew now, I'll be a cop. I ain't even gonna motherfucking lie, blood. I'll be the coolest motherfucking cop on this planet. I'll be smoking weed. I'll be, you know what I'm saying? You got weed in your hand? Get up out of here. This ain't nothing. I'm from the block too, nigga. I'll be the cool. I mean, I was trying to be a correctional officer before I got caught up in this bullshit. Nigga, I was studying online, nigga, that Penn Foster shit, criminal justice and shit, guardsmen and shit. You know what I'm talking about? I got a homie from Vallejo from the hills. He a ski correctional officer now. He in Solano County. He Vallejo. You know what I'm saying? It's time to grow up, man. And I'm always gonna keep it hood. That's the life I chose. I like being me. I'm not changing for nobody. I like being hyphy. I like acting the way I do. I love keeping it real. I love being very blunt. I love women. I love being nice to women. Unless they want me to be mean to them in the bed, then I have no problem doing that. You know what I'm saying? Everybody, motherfuckers know that. I can still count the bitches I've been with on my fingers and toes, man. I'm almost 40 years old. That's pretty goddamn good, especially from the Mac. I'm not no hoe, nigga. I don't just sleep with any bitch I see. I'm very picky about who I sleep with. So if I sleep with a bitch, she better feel fucking privileged because I don't just sleep with any bitch. There has to be something I like about that person within her. I don't like a rude bitch. I don't like a bitch acting all super duper ghetto and all. That doesn't attract me. I be like, man, bitch, stay as a woman, bitch. Get back in the minimum status, nigga. No, I can't have my bitch with braids and shit and jumping out with rags and shit. Man, you got to go over there. That ain't me, man. You better put a skirt on some high heels, bitch. Let's go get it. You know what I'm saying? Straight up, nigga. I'm the mob. Nigga, I'm just keeping it 100, man. Killing time. I'm about to go, man. Now I got to get in these books and I got to get on what I'm going to say to the judge about my daughter, man. I just pray that I don't need to go on and on and on about the story. He ain't stupid. I'm pretty sure he knows all that shit in front of him. I just need to keep short, sweet, and simple. I need something from you, Judge, Solano County, stating I still have my parental rights, which I do. I lost in trial in Idaho, but that court, it's like it doesn't even matter. You know what I'm saying? Because I was granted an appeal within that time frame. You know what I mean? And there's one thing I left out to that judge in Idaho, which I think could be the reason why I lost. I didn't think about it. I told him everything else but that. You know what I'm saying? I was coming out with shit with Maria and her mom that I forgot about. Their mom's like, you should have seen him in court. They didn't know what. Daniel was holding his head going like this on his lap. Maria was trying to say the same thing her mom said. And they just kept getting lies. I wrote Mariah some fucking nasty ass, stupid ass letter. I'm like, what the fuck are you talking about? No, I fucking did not, you dumb fat bitch. Her and her mama. Nigga, Donna's the one that said it, but they both saying it. They act the same, man. Donna like, oh yeah. He wrote a really disgusting letter and stuff, you know. I just couldn't take it. I just couldn't understand it. I just couldn't. It just made me sick to my stomach. Yeah. I'm like, bitch? What the fuck are you talking about? And then she's like, yeah, I just had to give it to the officer. Then my lawyer goes, well, Mrs. Fika, Donna the grandma, right? How many letters was it? Oh, it was just one. It was just one letter, and I had to give it to the officer. I just couldn't take it no more. It was just so foul and disgusting. He wanted to be with her. He wanted to marry her. And talking about my daughter, bro. I was like, why would I marry my fucking daughter, you fat bitch? My lawyer says, I think Donna assumes because it's a different state that they can't get the information from down here. My lawyer pulled out the fucking. She goes, Mrs. Faker, well, what if I was to tell you you're lying? And you should have seen Donna's face. What if I was to tell you that I have Ronnie's letter that he wrote his stepdaughter Mariah? It don't say nothing what you're saying. She goes, do you kind of want to change your statement or should I keep going? Matter of fact, she goes, let me read it to you. Maybe it'll refresh your memory. Hi Mariah, it's your dad. I love you, baby. You know, I'm trying to get your mom back, get your mom off drugs and try to get the family back together. But I'm tired, Mariah, and I know you're tired too, Mariah. If, you know, daddy loves you and just remember what I told you, it's not your fault. Whatever happens between me and your mom is not your fault. You're innocent, you're a kid or something like that, I said. And I'm filing for legal separation. Your Auntie Angela's here, but she's using drugs too in the shed. There's too much going on. And, you know, I will come get you, but I'm going to have to come get you. Something like that, I'll get you later or something because, you know, I took her to go live with her grandmother, which I shouldn't have did. You know what I'm saying? Then I took Isabella over there, but then I took Isabella back, and then, you know, over there again. So it's just, I just want to see my daughter, man. Fuck the past. Fuck who said what and he said it. Oh yeah, then my When my lawyer told Donna about the letter, she goes, so what you got to say about that? Donna goes, well, there must have been another letter. You should have seen the judge's face. The judge was like, you don't remember your own wedding date? She didn't even remember her wedding date. She couldn't even remember Mariah's fucking birth date. She was like, Mariah, when was Mariah born? Where she goes, she had the audacity to look, I swear to God, on my dad's casket. She looked at me in court, Donna did, the grandmother, looked at me in court and said, Ronnie, she was like, I don't know, she was, Daniel, they're trying to, like, with, Daniel and Maria were in the audience going like this, trying to give her signs and shit, and the bailiff told Daniel and Maria, quit aiding the witness, or else I'll kick you out of here. You can't do that. You can't do that. She couldn't even remember her own fucking wedding date. Judge gonna tell her, Miss Fika, you don't remember your own wedding date? He goes, gosh, if that had been a man, he'd be in trouble. And then, about the letter, she goes, must be another letter. She just got caught on the letter. Some of your lies, man. Then this is what really turned my fucking stomach. When my lawyer asked Maria and Donna, first she asked Donna on the stand, does Isabella know who her mom and dad really is? And then Donna goes, oh, well, I try to play games with her, I try to play games with her. She was like, we kind of hint to her like, I'm not your mom. I'm your grandma. And we give her signs like flashcards. Flashcards, y'all. Flashcards, the bitch said. Signs, games. Who the fuck does that? Who the fuck plays with a 7-year-old fucking kid's head like that, blood? That is sickening, blood. She said, oh my God, on the stand, she said, I play games with her. We give her little signs. We kind of like write stuff on like little like flashcards and give her like, I'm not your mom. I'm your grandma. And she always runs and goes, no, you're my mom. And she does the same thing with Daniel too. I'm like, shut up, bitch. He's so lying. Is this a line? That's a line. Them motherfuckers are crazy, dude. How can you do something like that? And then my lawyer was like, play games with her. What do you mean? She goes, we kind of hint to her. Say, then Maria gets on the stand. And she goes, Maria, is Ronnie the father of Isabella? Yes, he is. So you already know Ronald's the biological father of Isabella, right? She goes, yes, he is. He is the father. He's the father. You can't deny that. She looks just like me. But Maria gonna say, so my lawyer goes, does Isabella know you're her mom? No, she goes, no, I try to hint to her. She goes, I play games with her and stuff. Now this is Maria talking, saying the same shit Donna did. We kind of play games with her. I kind of like mess with her a little bit, I mess with her a little bit. Try to say, hey, I'm not your mom. And she just runs, she runs and goes, no, you're my mom. To my mom, she goes, they're so unbreakable. So you know what she's trying to do? She's trying to establish to the judge the bond that the grandmother and my daughter have. Trying to make it look like it's unbreakable, this old big old bond and shit. Yeah, but my daughter had a fucked up eye. I had to take her to the hospital because she had stitches in her fucking eye. I found out. Yeah, I'm talking to my family, the Williams family. Isabella had to get fucking stitches in her fucking eye because Donna says she fell in the bathtub and split her eye. We don't even fucking know what really happened. Knowing what that bitch, who fuck knows, man? Maybe a horse might have stepped on her or some shit. Who knows? Pissing me the fuck off, man. And I didn't get notified. She admitted on the stand, Donna did, she broke California laws. Because even though I didn't give her guardianship, Alicia Jones, who's no longer on the bench, I told Alicia Jones, September 6, 2011, I told Alicia Jones, the judge, I don't want nobody having guardianship over my daughter. You should have seen the way Donna looked when I walked in that courtroom. In shackles. Embarrassing though, I ain't gonna lie. They escorted me outside the jail, through the courts, to the family law court. Embarrassing shit in my life, nigga. Shackled up. Nigga, from head to toe, nigga. And then the motherfucking, I walk in the family law courtroom. Donna's mouth was like, this is back 2011. Donna's face was like, she was shocked I walked in there. Daniel was like a little African baby. He's just fucking sitting there like this. Act like he don't know how to speak English. Fucking, Donna's face dropped. I looked at Donna in the face in Solano County in September 6, 2011. I looked at her family law and said, what? You thought I wasn't going to show? Shit. I'm always going to be here for my kid. Till the day I die, till my casket drops. And I'm still fighting out her mouth. Should have seen Daniel Fika on the stand. This motherfucker been in this country for 10 fucking years plus. And he act like he don't understand shit. Now he want to act like he's straight up Nigerian now again. This motherfucker on the stand, oh, you know, we seen baby, baby. Yeah, we like baby. He said, he's that nice baby. Why don't we take this baby? You bitch, you can't just take somebody's fucking kid. And that's the argument I'm having with California that I'm trying to fight. You know what I'm saying? So I'm hoping, let me get over here now. I'm hoping that I get my parental rights on paper, because I still got my parental rights. You know what I'm saying? I lost in trial in Idaho, but I still got my parental rights. You know what I'm saying? Because they gave me another chance. So this is where we at. I'm not going to stop until the casket drop. You know. Love you, Isabella, and I love you, all my homies out there in the IG world. Gouda, pray for me, nigga. The Hell Gang, nigga. The P, nigga. I want to come to the P, nigga. Hell, nigga. Gouda already gave me the pass, nigga, and said, you good. You know what I'm saying? Mac Brown, you good. Come from the hills, come to the fields, come to Hell Gang, nigga. And Gouda vouched me already, nigga. So, you know, we throwing up the H. I'm throwing up the H. It means two different things now, nigga. It's no longer just hillside, nigga. It's Hell Gang, nigga. And I'm really fucking with them niggas now, because I'm fucking with my nigga Gouda, my nigga T Shabadi, my nigga T, man. Beat her, nigga. Beat her, I love you, blood. I see you out there on my friends list. Beat her. One love, homie. SEBC, my nigga. Yeah, boy. Beat her from the P. Y'all that I'm talking. Y'all that I'm talking. Nigga, I gotta go. I smell some tree. Who's smoking, nigga? Oh, it smells good, too. Oh, that nigga that drove by was smoking. Nigga, we passed the weed. I gotta go, y'all know what I mean?